Hi everyone, today I'm going to talk about homework 4 question 1, and for question 1 it given the question is find and draw capital FYY and FYY in terms of capital FXX and FXX, and it given the y equals to gx and equals to 2 when x smaller than 0 and equals to 0 when x is from 0 to 1 and equals to negative x plus 1 when x is from 1 to 2 and also equals to negative 1 when x greater than 2. And it's also given the graph for the fxx. And for this question, first, since y is from negative 1 to 2, so we can have that capital Fy equals to 0, 1 when y is smaller than negative 1 and when Fy equals to 1 when y is greater than 2. So for y from minus 1 to 2, we can have that when y equals to negative 1, probability of y equals to negative 1 equals to probability x smaller greater than 2 and equals 1 minus fx2. And when y equals to 0, the probability of y equals to 0 equals to probability x from 0 to 1 and y equals to fx1 minus fx0. And when y equals to 2, probability of y equals to 2 equals to probability of x smaller than 0, and it will give us fx0. And also, then we have to solve when y is greater than minus 1 and smaller than 0. We will have y equals to negative x plus 1. So fyy will equals to fxx divided by absolute value of gx, and this will give us fx1 minus y. And from all this above, we can have that fyy equals to 1 minus fx0 times delta y plus 1 when y equals to negative 1, and it will equals to fx1 minus y when y is from negative 1 to 0, and it will equals to fx1 minus fx0 times delta y when y equals to 0, and it will equals to fx0 times delta y minus 2 when y equals to 2. Otherwise, fy equals to 0. And the graph should looks like when y equals to 0, it equals to this, and when y equals to 2, it have a pause, and also with when y equals to minus 1, and this should be fx0, and this will be fx1 minus fx0, and this will be 1 minus fx0. And now we have to calculate the fy, capital fyy. So for capital fyy, when y is from negative 1 to 0, fyy, capital Fy, will equals to probability of y, capital Y smaller than y, and equals to probability 1 minus x smaller than y. And for this, we can have that probability of 1 minus y, and then we can calculate the probability of x greater than 1 minus y, and this will give us 1 minus fx 1 minus y. Then when 0 smaller than y smaller than 2, we have capital Fyy equals to probability of capital Y smaller than y, and equals to probability of x greater than 0, and it will give us 1 minus fx 0. Then as summary, we can have that capital Fy equals to 0 when y smaller than -1, and equals to 1 minus fx 1 minus y when y is from -1 to 0, and equals to 1 minus fx 0 when y is from 0 to 2, and equals to 1 when y is greater than 2. And the graph should be looks like this way. So when y smaller than -1, it will become 0, and when y is from -1 to 0, it will look like that, and when y from 0 to 2, it will a little bit smaller than 1, and when y is greater than 2, it will equals to 1. And this is capital Fyy. Thank you for watching.